Well, for me, the VESKI is a big help in, I guess, funding some of the new technologies that we generated in New York. We're bringing them into Melbourne and improving on them. In my case, I'm very focused on cancer biology, so we'll use the VESKI money to look at targeted cancer therapeutics in particular. So we'll use the technology in an attempt to mimic I guess cancer drugs. That's the way that we're hoping to use it. What we do is basically we're looking for gene products that are expressed in cancer cells that we can inhibit in cancer cells that will specifically cause them to die, whereas leaving normal cells intact.
We're tremendously excited about this fellowship because it helped us bring back this very talented young scientist from the US. You know, we have an amazing number of scientists in the Australian diaspora. They've developed lots of experience overseas. We want them back here working with us, and so the VESKI Fellowship is very important indeed for accomplishing that goal. Cancer research is very, very important at the Walter and Eliza Hall Institute, and Ross is one of the new generation of cancer researchers. He's bringing back with him the technology that he developed at Cold Spring Harbor, and we are applying it to many, many programs within this institute. So he's bringing in a tremendous resource as well as bringing in his own very energetic program.
And what we do is we use RNA interference, which is a novel technology to target specific gene products in tumour cells. And we can switch those gene products off in tumour cells, and we can also switch them off in normal cells, and we can compare those two responses. So we're mainly interested in leukemia and lymphoma, the blood cancers. The VESKI Fellowship is a huge bonus because it allows us to, I guess, build on the things that we've been doing for the last 5 years, and in my case back in New York, and bring the technology to Melbourne.
Ross has done fantastic work, and our topic is very close. I very much appreciate his contribution. I think there's a very good chance that we will collaborate in the future. And as it happened, we were both VESKI fellows, so I think it will be just a benefit to us and to VESKI to have this collaboration.
Yigal and I have met actually through the VESKI functions that we've had so far, and we've discussed collaboration, and we have already set up collaborations with other institutes, other groups in Melbourne. For example, the Ludwig Institute and the Peter Mac. And in fact, we've got a collaboration that's just about to start up with CSL. I think Yigal and I worked in the last 5 years, I've been working on P53, which is Yigal's main bag, so we kind of know a reasonable about the same stuff. So it's great actually to have, for those reasons, to be back in Melbourne.